see, it's good when you're. I actually come up in recession time, or they told me it was recession in 1989 when I went to Drogheda with our first two shots. They told me, recession. I said, if I come from where I come from, this is not a recession. You know, because I was earning wages. And then if you had a time that everything's going so well, so everybody's good at business. You know, it's just, which we did hit the years of everybody was just open up and everything turned to gold. You know, it's like a guy that what I would do a bit of mind training with would talk about, you know, you're swimming with the tide. It's easy. But then when the tide turns, you know, how strong a swimmer are you then? You know, that's the game. Like, I mean, that's, you could call that a recession. The tide turns, now you got to start swimming. And what happens? A lot of people drown. So, you know, I was down in Boyle at the university there a few months ago down talking. One of the kids is coming out and they were concerned. You know, that we just arrived too late. You know, if I had a